നമസ്കാരം. ഷാഡോ ലേണിംഗ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഈ വീഡിയോകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗപ്രദമാകുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. സഹകരണ മേഖലയിലെ പരീക്ഷകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. Which one of the choices does not come under cooperative principle? Education, training and information, autocratic control, open and voluntary membership, member economic participation. Answer option B, autocratic control. The board of a cooperative society derives its power from central society, general body, registrar, president. Answer option B, general body. Dash provides information and leadership to members and management in a cooperative society. President, CEO, board, registrar. Answer option C, board. Accountability, transparency and participation are the four key components of governance in a cooperative society. Promoting monopoly, partnership, profitability, predictability. Answer option D, predictability. In a primary cooperative consumer store, dash percentage of the profit can be set apart towards statutory reserve fund. 8, 10, 15, 5. Answer option C, 15. A district wholesale cooperative store has a maximum borrowing power fixed at dash times the paid up share capital plus reserve fund. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. The national level cooperative organization established for the basic function of promotion of education, training and research. NCDC, NCUI, NCCT, NLCF. Answer option B, NCUI. The National Dairy Development Board was created in the year 1951, 1975, 1965, 1971. Answer option C, 1965. The area of operation of dash is confined to a village, panchayat or municipality. Service Cooperative Bank, Central Cooperative Bank, Primary Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Bank, Primary Consumer Cooperative Stores. Answer option A, Service Cooperative Bank. In which year multipurpose cooperatives exclusively for SCST were started in Kerala? 1969, 1973, 1960, 1981. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. The management of a cooperative organization focus on scientific management, democratic principles, unlimited liability, profit maximization. Answer option B, democratic principles. The Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year 1984, 1940, 1912, 1932. Answer option A, 1984. The bank established with a vision Development Bank of the Nation for fostering rural prosperity. NCDC, NABARD, NAFED, NCCF. Answer option B, NABARD. Banking activities of urban cooperative banks are monitored by NABARD, state government, registrar of cooperatives, RBI. Answer option D, RBI. The year in which the first Cooperative Act in India was enacted, 1906, 1905, 1904, 1912. Answer option C, 1904. The first scheduled apex cooperative bank in the cooperative banking sector in the country, NCDC, NCHF, NABARD, KSCB. Answer option D, KSCB. The national level cooperative organization formed with one of the objectives as intra and interstate export trade, NCDC, NAFED, NCHF, NCCF. Answer option B, NAFED. Cooperative governance emanates from the guiding principles established by AIRCS, UNICOP, ICA, ICM. Answer option C, ICA. The first cooperative society was registered in Travancore in the year 1952, 1932, 1913, 1914. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. In cooperative societies, the preparation of the final statement of accounts in the primary responsibility of dash, even though it is prepared and submitted by the cooperative society. CEO, President, Cooperative Auditor, Board. Answer option C, Cooperative Auditor. Dash shall fix the interest rate of cooperative credit societies. Board, President, General Body, Registrar. Answer option D, Registrar. Dash focus on cooperative education and cooperative training in the state, NCDC, State Cooperative Union, SCB, Cooperative Selection Board. Answer option B, State Cooperative Union. In service cooperative banks, the maximum individual borrowing power is fixed at dash times that of their share contribution and is specified in the bylaws. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. Dash is an international rating system used by regulatory banking authorities to rate financial institutions. LAMS, ICA, CAMEL, IAC. Answer option C, CAMEL. Dash is a multi-state cooperative society. RAPCO, IFCO, UPCOS, Market-Fed. Answer option B, IFCO. A person against whom a decree has been obtained is called decree holder, debtor, creditor, defaulter. Answer option D, defaulter. Registration fee for an school cooperative society shall be rupees 4,000, 2,000, 500, 100. Answer option D, 100. Unregistered bylaws are called model bylaws, draft bylaws, bylaws, none of these. Answer option B, draft bylaws. First general body is the association of members of the society, promoters of the society, persons who are signed in the application for registration, persons who are interested to form such a society. Answer option C, persons who are signed in the application for a registration. A resolution for amalgamation of assisted cooperative society shall be passed only with the prior approval of government, registrar, apex society, affiliated society. Answer option B, registrar. Dash shall sign in the identity card of members of a cooperative society, president, secretary, any authorized person, either B or C. Answer option D, either B or C. The State Cooperative Election Commission shall notify the election of college cooperative society through honorary secretary, ex officio president, electoral officer, none of these. Answer option A, honorary secretary. Dash shall nominate government nominees in the apex cooperative societies, managing committee of the society, registrar, government, general body. Answer option C, government. Minimum amount of cooperative education fund shall be rupees 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Answer option B, 2,000. Dash are exempted from payment of audit fees. Farming societies which accept deposit, social welfare societies which accept deposit, SC/ST societies, consumer societies. Answer option C, SC/ST societies. Proclamation of sale of immovable property shall be published at least dash days before the date fixed for sale, 1, 2, 15, 30. Answer option D, 30. If the tribunal ordered to register an appeal, the secretary shall register it not later than dash days, 7, 10, 15, 21. Answer option A, 7. The members of Circle Cooperative Union shall meet at least once in every week, every month, every 3 months, every 6 months. Answer option B, every month. Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 enacted in the dash year of Republic of India, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Answer option C, 19th. A society may change its name by notifying in the official gazette, publishing two vernacular dailies, an amendment in its bylaws, changing registration certificate. Answer option C, an amendment in its bylaws. An expelled member may be readmitted only after the expiry of 1 year, 2 terms, 2 years, 3 years. Answer option A, 1 year. The first committee of a newly registered cooperative society nominated by registrar is for a period of 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 5 years. Answer option C, 12 months. The State Cooperative Union, the State Cooperative Election Commissioner shall be officers not below the rank of Special Secretary to Government, Additional Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Joint Registrar of Cooperative Societies, IAS officer. Answer option B, Additional Registrar of Cooperative Societies. That shall be the authority to take decision upon the division of net profit of a cooperative society, auditor, registrar, general body, managing committee. Answer option C, general body. That shall not take part in the discussion of non-confidence motion. Nominated members, ex officio member, co-opted member, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. The term of the committee in office will expire within 30 days. A new committee shall be appointed as per Section 28, Section 32, Section 33, Rule 35A. Answer option C, Section 33. In the Managing Committee of State Cooperative Union, there are dash employee representatives. 1, 2, 3, none of these. Answer option A, 1. Dash shall give sanction to use the word cooperative other than a cooperative society. Registrar, Government, High Court, Central Registrar. Answer option B, Government. Deposit guarantee scheme is created by receiving contribution from all cooperative societies, societies which receive deposit, cooperative banks, none of these. Answer option B, societies which receive deposits. Dash shall are responsible for submitting financial statement for audit. Chief Executive Accountant, General Body, Managing Committee, Chief Accountant. Answer option C, Managing Committee. Transactions in a cooperative society are first recorded in the register called cash book, general ledger, day book, none of these. Answer option C, day book. The basic statement used to prepare final account in a cooperative society is trial balance, a receipt and disbursement statement, income and expenditure account, general ledger. Answer option B, receipt and disbursement statement. Statement for audit is prepared by the auditor, society, registrar, none of these. Answer option B, society. Which of the following is not included under deposit guarantee scheme? Chitti, fixed deposit, savings bank account, current deposit. Answer option A, chitti. What is the rate of excess interest paid to senior citizens for their deposit? 1%, 0.5%, 5%, 1.5%. Answer option B, 0.5%. The day book is called Book of Original Entry, Book of Secondary Entry, Book of Prime Entry, none of these. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. Affiliation fee of a society is calculated on working capital, share capital, amount of deposit received, amount of loans advanced. Answer option B, share capital. When receipt and disbursement statement for the current year is prepared, the opening balance will be the closing balance of last year, the closing balance of last month, opening balance of last year, opening balance of last month. Answer option A, closing balance of last year. One of the main objectives of standardized accounting system in cooperative is to ensure that members' fund and asset are safeguarded, to ensure that share is safeguarded, to ensure that the profit is ensured. None of this. Answer option A, to ensure that members' funds and assets are safeguarded. The depreciation calculated for the landed property is 2.5%, 5%, 3%, no depreciation. Answer option D, no depreciation. Asset minus liabilities is equal to loss, profit, share capital, none of these. Answer option D, none of these. Accounting concept followed by the cooperative society is going concern concept, business entity concept, money measurement concept, dual aspect concept. Answer option A, going concern concept. Which of the following includes accounting plan, reporting the operating result of various activities, reporting the financial position of the society, providing statistical data and information for decision making and future planning, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. The percentage of reserve to be created for overdue interest is dash percentage, 10, 25, 50, 100. Answer option D, 100%. Share capital in the balance sheet is treated as liability, asset, reserve, none of these. Answer option A, liability. What is the procedure when the balance in the cash book and bank passbook differs? Ignore, reconcile, make corrections, none of this. Answer option B, reconcile. What is a voucher? Evidence for a payment, evidence for a receipt of money, evidence for receipt of check, none of this. Answer option A, evidence for a payment. What will be the amount of monthly interest to be paid for a fixed deposit of rupees 50,000 at the rate of 6.5%? Answer option B, rupees 298. A budget is an estimate of income and expenditure for the coming year, a statement showing the revenue and expenditure during the year, a comparison of expenditure with the previous year, none of these. Answer option A, an estimate of income and expenditure for the coming year. What is the formula to find out the balance of asset to be shown in the balance sheet from second year onwards? Receipt payments, opening balance plus receipt minus payments, opening balance plus payments minus receipt, payments minus receipt. Answer option C, opening balance plus payments minus receipt. NBA means net present asset, net profit on asset, net profit analysis, non-performing asset. Answer option D, non-performing asset. From the following, find out the owned funds of state cooperative banks. Share capital, statutory reserve, debenture capital, deposit. Answer option A, share capital. Medium-term loans are given for a period of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. Cooperative societies create statutory reserve fund from gross profit, net profit, deposit, share capital. Answer option B, net profit. The accounting system followed by district wholesale cooperative store is single account system, double account system, double compartmental system, none of these. Answer option C, double compartmental system. Buy now, pay now is commonly used for debit cards, old cards, credit cards, electronic purse. Answer option A, debit cards. Through mobile banking, customer can't avail the facility of balance inquiry, credit services, fund transfer, transaction of credits. Answer option B, credit services. DMAT refers to process of converting physical share certificate into an electronic form. Once converted, the shares are held in a DMAT account. The shares will become interchangeable, identical and fungible asset after DMAT, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Power of attorney should be notarized, registered, notarized and registered, notarized or registered. Answer option D, notarized or registered. Which of the following is a direct channel but not a remote channel in banking? ATM, branch, mobile banking, internet banking. Answer option B, branch. Cash credit facility extended by banks are non-funds based facility, fund-based facility, contingent liability, none of the above. Answer option B, fund-based facility. Pledge means dash of goods for the purpose of securing a payment of debt or performance of promise, lien, bailment, assignment, mortgage. Answer option B, bailment. Where a check bears across its face an addition of the name of a banker, either with or without the words not negotiable, that addition constitutes a crossing and the check is deemed to be crossed generally, crossed specially, crossed account pay, crossed indefinitely. Answer option B, crossed specially. The person to whom a power of attorney is given is called dash, and the person who gives the power of attorney is called debtor creditor, bailer bailee, agent principal, creditor debtor. Answer option C, agent principal. Dash is terminated when the buyer gets the possession of the goods, lien, agreement, condition, warranty. Answer option A, lien. What is the maximum limit of compensation the banking ombudsman may award? 5 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh. Answer option B, 20 lakhs. Bank account of which of the following is converted in the low risk category of customers? Public limited company, a high net worth individual, a salaried employee, a non-resident Indian. Answer option C, a salaried employee. The charge of immovable property to be created is known as pledge, mortgage, assignment, lien. Answer option B, mortgage. According to Banking Companies Nomination Rules 1985, nomination in favor of a non-resident person is allowed with RBI permission, is not allowed, is allowed A and C. Answer option C is allowed. Expansion of PMFBY is Pradhan Mantri Farmers Banking Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Faisal Bima Yojana, Prime Minister's Farmers Benefit Yojana, none of the above. Answer option B, Pradhan Mantri Faisal Bima Yojana. What is the full form of JLG? Joint Liability Group, Jilla Loanees Group, Joint Lenders Group, Jan Liability Group. Answer option A, Joint Liability Group. KYC means know your character, know your creditors, know your customer, none of the above. Answer option C, know your customer. Nomination can be registered in the following accounts: savings bank accounts, recurring deposit accounts, fixed deposit, all the above. Answer option B, all the above. What is the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? A life insurance up to Rs 2 lakh payable on normal death. accident insurance scheme announced by Government of India. Both A and B, basic savings bank account with zero balance. Answer option A. Answer option A, life insurance up to rupees 2 lakh payable on normal debt. What is mean by Aadhaar seeding? Issuance of duplicate Aadhaar, linking Aadhaar with a bank account, producing Aadhaar for any purpose, none of the above. Answer option B, linking Aadhaar with bank account. What is the minimum amount of deposit required for opening a basic savings bank deposit account? Rupees 500 only, rupees 1000 only. No minimum deposit required, rupees 100 only. Answer option C, no minimum deposit required. Fixed deposit can be opened in a bank for maximum tenure of 5 years, 10 years, 8 years. No such instruction. Answer option B, 10 years. MGNREGS stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, Mahatma Gandhi Nutrition and Rural Energy Generation Scheme, none of the above. Answer option B, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Under prudential norms, loan asset of banks are classified into substandard, poor, doubtful, loss, standard, substandard, doubtful, loss, standard, doubtful 1, doubtful 2, loss, none of the above. Answer option B, standard, substandard, doubtful, loss. PIN in smart card is called permanent index number, personal identification number, personal index number, permanent identification number. Answer option B, personal identification number.